Welcome to Sweetwater Golf and Tennis. This is an amazing little house. For being small, it has some of the best space in it. They've added some rooms, kept the floors updated. This is the neighborhood that this particular one sits on. Sweetwater Golf and Tennis reflects great pride in ownership. It's always beautiful on our golf course community. So here's the front of the house, and as you can see, it has a golf cart access, so you can park your golf cart inside that little garage there. That little space is shared with the laundry. We'll come back to that in a moment. We're going to walk around the whole house. This is an addition they put on back here. It is on the AC, added to your living space. Nice looking backyard. The 2015 air conditioner is tucked in there. That was installed by Watts Air Conditioning and is maintained annually by them. And we come on down here. And on the south side of the house, you can see they've put some awnings out just to kind of help beat the heat. Attractive peekaboo box provides your access under the house. We have a little landscaping going on here. And now we're going to walk in through. I want you to see this driveway though, because you've got plenty of parking space here. This is all under the carport. Plenty of room to park the golf cart here outside, or a second car. He likes to keep his tucked in. And here is the golf cart access to the garage. Let me do a little zoom out. This is a golf cart that is included, but plenty of space to store all your goodies, including your golf cart. Workbenches tucked in here. And this is also the access then to the laundry. You come out through the screened lanai and into the laundry, so it is outside, but technically you don't have to go outside to get to it. So here's this lanai off the driveway when you come in. Nice sitting area. More storage. Never too much storage, is there? And up and into the house we go. Upon entering, we come to the dinette dining room area. You can see we have beautiful flooring in here. Very open plan. Small footprint, but great openness. Clear through to that back, you can see. So dining room. Kitchen. New cabinets on that kitchen. Pretty. Deep sink. Work area. You could extend the shelf on that and make it a breakfast bar. Opens right into the living room. Plenty of room in here for everything you want to do. This home is being sold fully furnished, including all the furnishings, such as kitchenware, silverware, stemware, linens. Bring your toothbrush and move in. This is what they call turnkey. Just come on in. This is what I'm going to call the bonus room. I know she's telling me how many different things they've used it for. But this is on the air conditioning. This room is probably 12 by 15. Great space, well insulated. Side-by-side sliding windows. And a back door that goes out to that little patio out there that you could see in my pictures of outside. So down the steps, a little spot for your grill, and this is right by where that air conditioner was sitting. So back in, French doors, by the way. She was telling me that when the grandkids show up, they push the table to the side, and this then becomes air mattress on the floor, bedroom for whoever's visiting. You do have carpeting in the living room, laminate throughout the rest of the house, laminate on that family room, that bonus room we were just in. Down the short hall provides the guest bathroom, high-rise toilet, counter height, sink basin, medicine cabinet. I love that little sliding barn door they've got on that. That's cute. A step-in tub shower combo. And then this at the end of the hall is actual guest bedroom. So again, concise in space, but has everything you need. That's for sure. Ceiling fans on everything. And a decent closet in here too, that always helps. Okay, back out of here, and again, carpeting in the bedrooms. And here is the master bedroom. Perfect in size. That is a queen size bed that's in there just to give you some proportions. Great bright light coming in. The walls are finished, as in the strips were removed and painted. It feels like it was painted with a textured paint. This is the guest bathroom. Tile on the floor, counter height sink, high-rise toilet, medicine cabinet. And then this has a step-in shower. The molded unit provides seats, frosted glass door for privacy, a nice bright light from that window. I love natural light. So, again, master bedroom, ceiling fans. Master bedroom has a walk-in closet. I'm going to point up so you can see the footprint of it. But yeah, lots of room provided there. Back to the guest bathroom and bedroom. Into the hallway to the very open living space this home provides. I look forward to having you here in person and showing this little beauty off. Thank you for watching my video.